Hello there, and welcome back for the very last video of this course. I'm up to problem 10 on page 287 of your textbook. Andrew wants to earn an 85% in a class. On the first 4 tests, he scored a 92, 82, 75, and 78. What percent would he need to score on a 5th test to earn an 85%? So this is talking about an 85% average or mean. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a mean problem. And Andrew is wanting to earn an 85. That's his goal. And we know that Andrew had to take 5 tests. And it doesn't say anything about weight. That one of them is double or triple. They're all just evenly weighted. So the first test was a 92, then an 82, then a 75, and a 78. And we know that he has to take a 5th test. So I'm going to use the letter F to represent that 5th test. My first task is to add up the points he already has. So let's see where he is in terms of points that are already his. So we're going to say 92 plus 82 plus 75 plus 78 equals 327. So he already has that many points in his favor. I need to get rid of this 5 on the bottom, and I hope you remember to do that. You have to multiply both sides by 5. So you do it to this side and to this side. And when you do it here, you're going to get a canceling effect on those. So what you're left with is 327 points plus the 5th test that he has yet to take equals 85 times 5, which is 425. So for this average to work, Andrew needs a total of 425 points. He already has 327. So let's take out what he already has done and see what we're left with. He would have to score a 98 on that 5th test for this average to be his. It's possible. That's almost a perfect score, but it is possible to do that. Okay, number 11. What is the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature? So this line graph is showing me the temperature change for 10 days. And they want me to find the range of temperatures difference. So you need to look at your scale very carefully and find the highest temperature. And it happened on day 6. It was almost 90, but it was just under 90. So I'm going to say 89. This was on day 6. Difference means minus. What's the lowest dot on this line graph? Well, it's at day 1, where it was 75 degrees. So the highest and lowest data points are these two, and difference means to subtract. So you're going to say 89 minus 75 is a difference of 14 degrees. And that is answer C. They're asking you to find a range there. Okay, the last one. They show me a box plot, and they want to know the median. Now I am going to take the time to sketch this box plot because I think that's important for you to understand the problem. So we have a 0, a 50, 100, a 150, and a 200. And then my line went way beyond what it needed to. And I have this one and this one. And then we have the dot sitting here, 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 and here. So let me sketch in the box, and then we'll put the whiskers in. Here's a whisker, and there's a whisker. Okay, the first thing I want to do is find these missing numbers on the scale. So 0 to 50 in this one would be 25. Think of money. You have $0, you have 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, $1.25, $1.75. So either in your mind or on your paper, you want to look at those missing numbers. Okay, this dot corresponds to 75. This is called the second quartile, but it has another name, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. This dot is the first quartile. Any guesses on this dot? That's the third quartile. And then, of course, the fourth one, or the whole thing, would be up here at this point. The question says, which value is the median? The median is the second quartile. That's the median for the whole data set. So the median for this one is that 75, and that corresponds to B. So just a quick review. Dot plots are a little bit tricky, so I wanted to just review that a little bit, and that was a good time to do it. Okay, that brings us to the end of this test. It brings us to the end of this course. I hope you have enjoyed the course and learning about data and graphs and probability. It's a very, very good math skill to have. So this will help you not only on the math, but on the science and social studies tests as well. And possibly the reading. I'm not sure if there will be graphs on your reading or not. But remember, if you need to get in touch with me, you can definitely do that. Let me just get back to that page. It will give you the number that you can contact me at. Email is by far the best way to do it. So if you need me, feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to help you any way I can. I wish you the best of luck on your exams or your educational pursuits if you're doing this to take a course. Some of you are doing this for nursing school, so I wish you the best of luck in whatever you're doing, and know that I'm always here to help you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next course.